Good morning, guys. You don't know me yet, but my name is Eddie Laura. I'm a high school senior, and I graduate today. So today I wake up, and I'm with my mom, and we're cleaning up the trucks. I got done washing the cars. Let me see who's here.
Can I help you?
You'll probably see him more on the channel.
Oh, okay. So I'm Alex. I'm graduating from high school today. I'm a car guy, truck person too. I like big trucks, compensates for something down there. I like 12-inch lifted power strokes. I also like Cummins. You gotta dodge the father, ram the daughter, you know?
Alright, let's go to graduation practice.
Let's go. Slap, slap.
You already know what's going on. That's Alex's truck, and that's mine right there. We're finna head out to graduation. Let's go. Let's fuck shit up.
Yep.
Alright, we made it to graduation practice.
Yes.
Hopefully, this shit gonna be fire. Hey Joe, what's up? Say what's up to the vlog.
Joaquin, you already getting high, huh?
Just got off of practice. Won this shit. And bro, who the fuck did this shit?
I didn't.
Alright, so we're on our way to Bartow. I have to go pick up my car for graduation. It finally got fixed. Some of y'all know what car I'm talking about, and some of y'all don't. And the channel that I'm gonna do has a lot to do with this car. So I'll see y'all later. I'm here at the gas station. Here's my car, Nissan 350Z. It is a stick shift. I will get into it more. I have 3 hours to be at graduation. Right now I'm gonna fill it up real quick and I'm gonna show you how much it costs. Alright, so it did come out to $42. Mind you, it did have a quarter of a tank and also runs on premium. Hey.
What?
Alright, so after bringing it home from getting fixed, I'm gonna give it a quick wash and then I'm gonna go to graduation. Alright, the Z is all cleaned up, nice and pretty. I'm about to take the second shower of the day. It's around 4:50 p.m. I have to be over there at Legion Field at around 6. So I'm gonna take a shower and then I'm gonna go graduate. Alright, and we're almost out. Let's go. Alright, stopped by Walmart. Got a little adapter for my iPhone. So I could use this. It's like a cartridge, but it's like an aux cord at the same time. Let me use that. Here's my cologne, in case you guys wonder how it smells like. Everyone asks me, what do I use? What do I use? There's your answer. Alright, see you at graduation. Bye.
Hey!
Oh yeah, my thing's gonna get so hard.
Slap! Slap! Woo! Slap! Slap! What you gonna do?
Oh yeah.
She looked nice, but she also looked
Graduated.
like a she looked like a
2019.
Yeah, low key, bro. Slap. Low key, she be looking like a man.
Alright guys, I'm gonna end off the vlog right here. Today was a good day. I had lots of friends and family come support me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't know when I'm gonna upload it. Today is May 24th. Let's see how long it takes me to upload it. But one thing is the Bread Force. I wore these on graduation. Pretty cool, dope sneaker for graduation. I wore them because last year my best friend, he wore a pair of Bread V2 Yeezys, and these so happen to come out around the same time, so I bought these. On my channel, I'm probably gonna do sneaker stuff too, because sneaker was like my first hobby. But see you later. Good night.
Alright, so I'm gonna add this part in the vlog. This is the next day after graduation. I had a party with some friends. They showed up. There were more people, but it just ended. There's like a pool party. My brother's on the mic, speakers in the back. That boy Eric. But yeah, y'all guys subscribe. There's gonna be more content coming up soon. Bye.